Morning, everyone. First one of the day. Just barely wide enough to get an automobile through with a plow. Get a little on this thing. So I'm only going to try to get back there with the truck. I have to lug all 4 pallets of this delivery down. Be a little bit of a long one, so I'm probably going to time lapse it. So I'll see you afterwards. Well, we're going to run down to the other warehouse pickup location, drop 5 of these off, go to the primary warehouse, throw 2 on, and continue on with our deliveries. So I'll see you there. Well, we only need to get 2 from the warehouse here, so oh, stop it. Instead of going and get the forklift, I'm just going to use the donkey. I think it's just as quick, and if not, just as easy. Well, not quite as easy, but just as quick. I don't have to go over there and get back and forth. I just take it off the back of the truck. So go do that, throw those 2 on, then we got a commercial delivery, and then I got 3 more residentials after that. So I'll see you at the residentials. guess that's going to be the end of it for today. Whoa. Looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket. But that'll be it for today. I'm headed back to the shop, calling it a day. It is 3:15, so I'll get to the shop at 4, maybe a little after, but that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. More videos we get, more people that like and share the video, gets out more subscribers. My goal is to try to help families next year, or let me rephrase that, this coming heating season, by donating pellets to families in need. And the only way I can do that is with more subscribers and more views. That is my end goal for this. I'm not in it for the money. I'm here to help families. So if we could, like, share, subscribe, and all that other stuff. I hate asking, but it's all I can do. So all I can do is ask. Again, thanks for watching.